this is Nicoles from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and this is my friend Nicole. And she came in and told, and I don't see her a lot, right? And once in a while we get, and we have a lot of customers, so sometimes I don't remember everybody. But she came in and told me, would you tell them what you told me?
I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary of using the Healthy Treats Markets program, and I have lost a total of 62 pounds. Not doing it faithfully at all. Really.
She's not been, can we tell them what's going on with you?
Sure.
Okay? She's got a bad pancreas, and so when her pancreas acts up, she's got to do like a liquid diet, so she does the protein shakes. Guys, please don't do the protein shakes. I'm telling you, those premier things, and they have 30 grams protein. I love, there's another lady in the market that wanted to start my diet, and I told her, you're not going to do my diet and do those shakes because they don't go together, because they're not healthy even though they give you the protein that they say they give you. So anyway, that was part of why she only lost the 62 pounds. She started doing this consistently just 3 weeks ago.
Right.
And how much have you lost in 3 weeks?
16 pounds.
She's dropped 16 pounds in the last 3 weeks just doing this consistently. Guys, I'm telling you, Healthy Treats Market works not just to help you lose weight, but it makes you lose weight the healthy way. Like, you're not going to be a yo-yo. You're not going to lose it and gain it, lose it and gain it. And that's what you don't want. You want to get healthy. That's the most important thing. I hope her pancreas gets better with all this.
It is doing better. It is doing better.
Praise God. Is there anything else you want to say to me?
No, it all tastes good.
Everything's good, yeah. It's very good, very easy to make, and very, very filling. This is the one diet that even if you have 300 pounds to lose, you'll never grow hungry, I promise you. Especially if you're a person who's very obese and has a ton of weight to lose. You want to look into HealthyTreatsMarket.com, okay guys? Thanks for watching. Don't forget, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com to see more testimonies like this and recipes, and you can order online there. And if you live nearby, come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. God bless you.